Hello, my name's Quentin Brown from Design Warehouse, and I'm just going to show you the product that you're looking at called logo creation. Let's just go have a look. So as you can see on the left there, these are the logos you're going to be able to download, and we're going to show you how you can customize them. So you can download 38 unique and original logo templates, which are designed as PSD files, which means you can edit and personalize for yourself or your clients. A PSD file is something used by Photoshop, which puts it all in layers, so you can individually update each layer. So your is one layer, logo is another layer, and then your graphic. We will introduce you to some free software that will allow you to edit them in minutes, plus get hundreds more for free once you know how it works. Finally, you can save them in many different formats for printers, for digital files, and then you can repeat the process as required. At the end of this presentation, be sure to look at the special bonus with many extra templates for your graphic needs. My name's Quentin Brown. I've been doing this for over 20 years, and I've been an online digital marketer since 1998. And before that, I ran some other small traditional businesses. My online businesses have done very well, and I have mastered some of the 3 skills mentioned in the next slide, and want to help you to do the same with your graphics. So this package is not just about the logos, but also how you can master graphics with very little experience. So there are 3 secrets of an online business. What I've found over the years is technology is changing all the time, but these 3 things don't change. I've developed software and made websites for large and small companies. We did a whole range of special websites when mobile phones came out, etc. But these 3 things are always constant. First, everything you look at online involves text, so learning how to write text is a key skill. The next thing is, with that text goes graphics, because everything looks better with graphics. And this is an easy way to do it yourself. What you'll learn in managing these logos, you can then apply to a whole range of other graphics as well. And it's not a matter of you building it from scratch, it's really just a matter of learning how to use what's available. The third secret is media, which is becoming a key component of any business and uses a lot of graphics as well. So you're going to learn how to make these yourself. So finally, I want to talk about a bonus. So when you download this package, there are 3 videos for you to learn the secrets of graphics for beginners. The first video is how to edit and personalize the package of logos provided and learn how to use this free software. Simply watch and follow along. Look over my shoulder and see how I personalize the logo. So the second video will show you where to find thousands more graphics, not only logos, but all sorts of graphics, which you can now use that same technique with. And this third video is something I've taught my students for a long time, and it expands and shows how to mix and match the different processes to create your own individual graphics with very little experience. So just click on the buy button, get your logos, start playing with them and creating them, and then move on to the next videos and learn all about how you can become a graphics master. My name's Quentin Brown from Brisbane, Australia. Hoping you enjoyed this short tutorial, and I'll see you on the inside.